Murder, murder, murder. You know, like, you got a gun and you can murder. And we are playing murder mystery. We got innocent guys. So, innocent means you hide or try to survive or get the gun and be the hero. So, there's a lot to explain. So, I cannot explain. Telling all my bluebirds, my feeling Ubers. It's noob, guys, it's noob. Run for you. Because this was the first time I ever eat McDonald's. If you look up, if you look up in your roof in your house, that's mean you're gay. I'm about to die. Yo, where's the... Yo, there was something up here. Guys, stop bullying me. Stop. It's literally the bacon. It's bacon. No, I got herbs. Okay, I saw him. He was just here and he killed him. Yes, I was telling the truth until you kill him. Loki, I am kinda nervous because they are trying to kill me. It's the bacon man. I knew it. I never lied. I never lie. Hey, why bro sitting like that? Hey. Do you guys know shift lock? And I'm gonna do this. Ting, ting, ting. Wait, I'm gonna do the shift lock. Oh my god, I'm doing it. Millbase, please. Why are you AFK? You don't know what it feels like to be alone. Why you just looking and standing there? You are nothing but just a useless man with no job. You are so ugly at makeup. If your name starts with Ash, that's like you belong in that. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh mama, oh my god. Ah! Bro, I just hit my arm. If no one is killing, that means it's that girl, the AFK girl. So he's so surprised that he got murderer. So he is finding victims to find, and I'm the victim he's trying to get because I'm the only okay. Someone died and it was inside, so it wasn't her. If your name starts with Ash, you belong to the trash. Bro, did you know if you keep biking, you will get a liking? My god. Bro, did you saw him? It looks like, bro. What the hell? Bro, everyone the red. Oh, bro, everyone. The red is the murderer. Yeah, I know. He just pulled out the knife in front of me. And he shot me. Oh my god. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh mama, chimama lay, chimala la la lay. Hey, hey. Oh my god, he broke his ankle. Oh my god, his neck broke. Oh my god, his neck broke. Okay, let me see his face. Oh my god, he look like he's a cola man. I like to eat cola. If you see a free cola, don't get the free cola because there's a Pepsi one hiding in the dark. Will trap you and ask you question why were you gonna get the Coca-Cola stomach. Bro, I'm broke. Money zero. Mama pictures. Guys, I got murdered. So I'm gonna be hiding here. I will receive. Mama is so ugly. Oh my god. Noise. Bro, I'm rude. Oh my god. Bro, I'm lagging. Bro. Okay. I'm bugging. Oh my god. You know what? I quit. I quit.